Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage API documentation with Swagger, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what API documentation is and why it's essential. API documentation serves as a guide for developers, helping them understand how to use your API effectively. Next, install Swagger, which is a powerful tool for creating and managing API documentation. Visit the official Swagger website to download the latest versions suitable for your platform. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. After installation, open Swagger to create your first API project. Begin by defining your API specifications using the OpenAPI specification format. You can start with a simple YAML or JSON file that outlines your endpoints, methods, and parameters. For example, define a basic GET request for retrieving user data. Include details such as the endpoint URL, expected query parameters, and the response format. Swagger's interface allows you to visualize your API structure as you write the specifications. Once your API specifications are in place, use Swagger Editor to validate and edit your documentation. This tool helps identify any errors or inconsistencies in your API definition. Next, generate the documentation using Swagger UI, which provides a user-friendly interface for users to interact with your API. Deploy the Swagger UI to your web server or use it locally to display your API documentation. Ensure to regularly update your API documentation as your API evolves or new features are added. Encourage feedback from developers using the API to continuously improve the documentation. Lastly, familiarize yourself with best practices for writing clear and concise API documentation. Well-structured documentation enhances user experience and promotes better adoption of your API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.